Hi, my name is Xavier Moretti. I am manager of product marketing at BioTek, and in this video we're going to talk about automated imaging and more specifically how to define sample vessel parameters in the Gen5 software and why it is so important. What you can see here is a Lionheart FX automated microscope, but this video actually applies to any of BioTek's imaging systems. So before I explain to you how you set up the parameters in the software, let me explain to you briefly why it's important. When the system automatically tries to image cells at the bottom of your wells, the hardest thing to do for the machine is to actually, with the objective, find where your cells are located, because the focal plane is very small. And what you want to define, the most important thing, is exactly the location of your cells in your sample vessel. So your objective will be located close to the correct position. What this will do for you is, if you define this properly, the system will autofocus faster, and your success in autofocus will be higher. Often people ask, do I need to go through this entire process? Do I need to define a full vessel every time? And the answer is no. If you look at the Gen5 software right here, what I'm showing you is the list of predefined vessels that are available in the interface. And as you can see, it's a long list. It contains above more than 150 entries. And these are predefined vessels that you can use as a starting point. What you want to do every time you want to image is just check that your vessel has been defined properly. The one thing that you don't want to do is select your plate type or your imaging vessel at random in the software, because this will create autofocus issues.